Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Temp. Go ahead and subscribe and like this video so you can get locked in. Today, I'm trying to figure out what to do to this head. Look, I got a lot going on. So originally I wanted to do some lock knots, but I wanted them to be like this length and I wanted this color. Okay, the whole purpose of all of this was to get some color on my head. But then I was like, you know what? Maybe I should just go ahead and do this. This is what I did. You can't even see. Hold on. Hold on. Let me some extended twist with that same color. And now I don't know what to do. Matter of fact, I'm about to take a picture and I'm gonna put a poll on YouTube. And whatever y'all choose, that's what I'm gonna do for. So hold on. I'm gonna be right back. All right, y'all, it's taking forever. So I'm just gonna make the executive decision. Well, I've already made the executive decision. And I'm going with the lock knots. This one is a little messed up right now. The extendos is cute, y'all. But this is gonna take way longer than the lock knots. And this low-key took a minute. I thought this was gonna help the process. This low-key took a little while. Wow. Though I don't know how many locks I have, definitely something I guess you should consider. I didn't. It's something you should consider when locking your hair. How many locks you have? Cause goodness gracious. Alright, we finally ready to start twisting again. Okay, when I had tested it yesterday, I had them longer. Right now, this is like, if you can see, this is the length of my hair. When I did it yesterday, it was a little bit longer, maybe like 4 or 5 inches longer. So I'm gonna attempt to do that. The ones I did here, I only used 2 pieces. And it was one I took out yesterday that I used 3. So it's either the amount of hair I'm using or the technique. So let's see. This is a decent one. Right where I need to be. I'm gonna start twisting right here. This might be it. So what I do is roll it up vertical after lock knot and run it. Let's see if this is the desired length. No! It's cool. I just want the color mainly. So it's cool. I'll do that. Alright friends, here we go. So I did start using one piece for some of these, but this is where we at. I dropped down a few. I want to finish this section. That's how I goal set for my styles. Yeah, that's how I goal set, so I know I'm making progress. Yeah, it's going.